How to make money on Clickbank for free and affiliate marketing with free traffic, whether you're using the Clickbank, Digistore24, Warrior Plus, or anyone. So you can basically use this traffic source that I'm going to share with you in this video and be consistent, and you cannot have any skills and any money or any investment into that. You can have this method and this strategy for 100% free, and you can generate some decent amount of money each and single day from this method in this strategy. So what I want from you to watch the video to the very end, to not miss any single part of the strategy, because if you miss, then you will be confused and you will not fully understand that how exactly this method and this strategy is working, because I'm going to share with you step by step that how, and I'm using a specific trick and this method and this strategy at the end of this video, that I will show you that how you can 3x your money and how you can make money from that. Basically this is free, you don't need to invest into that, you just need to use the trick consistently and then you can make money. In 1 or 2 minutes I can show you that how many impression for your promotion you will have actually in only 1 or 2 minutes actually, and how many clicks you will have available for your ads that you can simply use. So basically this is a brilliant and method actually that you have never seen before, and I can simply show you step by step an exact way that you can simply use and start making a decent amount of money from that right here. So let's begin the strategy and not further waste the time and showing step by step how you can make money from that. So the first and important thing is that you need to sign up with Clickbank if you are using the Clickbank. But if you are using any other network, you need to sign up with that. Then you can simply log into your account right here. Once you log into your account, then you can simply go to the marketplace right away here, and then you will see available all these products right here. But basically we will choose a specific product, and that reason we just need to go to the main categories right here. As you can see here, we just need to click on e-business and e-marketing. Once we click on the e-business and e-marketing right here, we will jump into another page right here, which will be this one, e-business and e-marketing, and make sure that you sort it by the gravity right here, which means the top products will be available on the top that other affiliates are promoting, so we can also promote and generate some extra cash from that every single day right here. So these are the different offers that you can simply promote. For example, I'm using the clickable system, so I can simply show you the how the sales page looks and how the affiliate tools area looks, for example right here. So you can simply just go right here, this is the main sales page of the that Clickbank system actually, which is the first is a video, a free video that people can watch right here, and then they can go with further action. If we just go to the affiliate tools area right here, they have described each and everything right here, that how much money we can get, how we can earn money from this offer, and how we can do that each and everything step by step right here. If you just move to the bottom right here, you need to add your first name right here, email address, and Clickbank ID, and then you can simply click right here, pass me my affiliate resources right here, and then you can simply jump into this page right here. So they will give you an extra things, for example like email swap, different email swap they can give you, and then you can simply copy this email swap and you can simply promote. But with this specific strategy, we don't need all these emails right here. So what we need, we have the free traffic and our affiliate link, that's it, and that's all. And we use a special trick right here to promote. So the free topic that we are talking about will be the twitter.com. Twitter is a brilliant method and a brilliant topic that we can simply use, but we are not using like previously we were using. So we are using a special trick in today video, and that's why we can maximize the result from right here. Okay. So what we need to do right here, the first thing is that I can simply show you that um, how many people are coming to this website right here, for example each single month. As you can see here, 6.8 billion traffic or people are coming each month to this website right here, Twitter. And then if you just scroll down, we will see here that most of the traffic will come from the United States, and then from Japan, United Kingdom, Brazil, and also Canada. So these are the biggest countries that we do want to promote our product in front of them. So that's why we can have it right here in front of them, each and everything. So for that reason, we just need to post something right here. For example, we can simply tell people something like, for example, what if you quit your job today, give me 5 minutes and I will show you how you can generate your first paycheck online. And then, for example, let me just do it or written for you, okay, all these things, okay. But you should not use exactly my words, you can use your own words, for example, something like that. As you can see here, I just mentioned right here, and then I can simply add my link. So the link that we can use right here, so basically I'm using the Linktree link, okay. So I just recommend you to use Linktree or any other free landing page. So in that case it will be great, you can simply use right here. But otherwise you can simply check, go there to Clickbank and click on the promote button, for example this one right here, copy your affiliate link and change into your Linktree link or any other affiliate sorry sales page you need to create for that, whether that is Wix.com, whether that is blogger.com, whether that is wordpress.com. But if you are using the any link tree as I am using, so you can also use the link tree link, okay. You can simply copy and paste all these things right here, okay. You can also use this if you want. For example, if you don't want this, then you need to have wix.com or wordpress.com, a free landing page there, embed your affiliate link there, and then copy that link from the wix.com and then promote right here. So I just simply use this Linktree link. For example, I just created right here on linktree.com, and this is the main landing page. I can simply just use it right here and paste it right here. So once you paste it right here, another trick is right here that you can simply use. You just need to go to, for example, the trends24.in. This is the main website link, as you can see here, trends24.in, okay. So you need to search in the Google and you will be visited to this page right here. So once you visit, it means that this page is showing all the trending topics on the Twitter right here. So this column is showing something like, for example, 30 minutes ago, this is 1 hour ago, this is 2 hours ago right here, okay. And if you want to target a specific location, you can also target any location or any country right here, but we will use the worldwide right here. So for the worldwide, we need to have this first 30 minutes hashtags, because it's already trending and it's very nice. Almost 10 hashtags are right here. You just need to click on each individual right here. You can simply just copy right here, as you can see here, okay. You simply just copy that and then go back to your Twitter. For example, this is your Twitter, and you can simply just paste it right here on this page. So once you paste it right here on this page, as you can see here, it's available right here, okay. And then you can simply add any image right here, and then you can simply click on the tweet. Once you click on the tweet, it will be available on the Twitter. So I have already did this, and I can simply show you that how I did it right here. I simply use the same text, the same link, and these 10 hashtags right here, and I also add the image right here. So that is something like 12 minutes ago I have just used right here. If I just go to right here to the analytics right here, if I just click on the analytics, as you can see here, and the last 12 minutes I got 323 impressions, which is amazing. And only 12 or 13 minutes, as you can simply see here, I got 323 impression, which this means that this is working, and that can definitely work. The more work you put into that, the more money you will get and have it right here. So these are all popular hashtags, everybody can see that in the world. And if you target specific country, you can choose that in the trends24.in, and then you can simply copy the hashtag and use in your tweet, and that will definitely move there. So after an hour or something like that, that can also show me the data, for example, the profile visit, new followers, for example, link clicks, for example, that how many people click on my link. So that can all show you after an hour or 2 hours. That can give me the complete data. But in the last 13 minutes, I just got 324 people that they visit and watch this uh, ads or tweet, okay, not ads, sorry, tweet right here. So many people will be interested in that and many people can click on that, okay. So that's why I was about to share with you this method and this strategy, that it's really working and really possible to make money online very quickly. So you can use this method and this strategy consistently. So if you want to make more money online than this, then check out the first link in the description, and you can have that link available there, and you can make some a decent amount of money from that. So if you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button for this video as an appreciation. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, we will be notify you. So till next brain video, see you awesome with enjoyable moment.